Today, I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Photoshop. How to paste an image directly into a selection, perfect for things like putting a photo inside a realistic frame. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly place any image exactly where you want it, making your edits look clean and professional. Let's get started. First things first, we need to open up Photoshop. If you're launching it for the first time, don't worry if it takes a moment to start. Photoshop is a powerful program, and it sometimes needs a little time to get going. Once you're in, the workspace should look familiar, with all your tools lined up on the left and panels on the right. Next, we're going to grab a frame image online. This could be anything: a classic picture frame, a fun Polaroid border, or even a digital mock-up. The important thing is that it has an empty space where we'll be placing our photo. So, find a frame you like and download it. Once you have it, head back to Photoshop and open it by dragging it into the workspace or using File, Open. Now, with your frame loaded up, let's add a new layer to our project. This is good practice because it keeps our edits non-destructive, meaning we can always go back and adjust things if needed. To add a new layer, just click the New Layer button at the bottom of your Layers panel. You'll see a fresh layer appear above your frame image. Now comes the fun part: generating your image. Click Edit at the top and look for Generate Image. Depending on your version of Photoshop, this might be a new feature, or you might use an alternative way to import your image. Maybe you have a photo saved already, or you want to use an AI-generated picture. Either way, get your image onto the canvas. If it opened as a new document, no worries, we'll copy it over in the next step. To move your image, use Ctrl+A to select all of it. You'll see marching ants appear around the edges, which means the image is fully selected. Then, simply hit Ctrl+C to copy it. Think of this like copying a photo out of one album so you can slip it into a new one. You can now close or minimize the Image tab to keep your workspace tidy. Back to our frame. Make sure you're on the layer with the frame image. We want to select the inside section, the part where you'd see the photo if this were a real physical frame. To do that, use the Magic Wand tool. It's the one that looks a bit like a sparkler, and it's perfect for selecting big, solid areas of color with one click. Click inside the empty space of the frame. If you see any bits you don't want selected, adjust the tool's tolerance or hold Shift and click to add areas until you've got the whole space outlined. We're getting close. With your frame's empty space selected, head up to Edit Paste Special. Instead of a regular paste, we want to choose Paste Into. This command tells Photoshop to place your copied image exactly within the selection, using the selection outline as a kind of mask. When you click Paste Into, watch what happens. The photo pops right into the frame, perfectly filling the area. You can use the Move tool to nudge it around or resize it if needed, making sure it looks just right. And that's it. You now have a picture pasted straight into your frame selection, ready to be saved or shared. This technique is awesome for creating custom wall art, digital scrapbooks, or polished social media posts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or want to see more Photoshop tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy creating.